Hey everyone, this is Will DeTrill here. As you may all know, this morning was a pretty wild one for us on the East Coast, the Northeast, the tri-state area. And you read it right in the title of this video. I was awakened by an earthquake, 4.8 magnitudes. Literally a stronger earthquake than the one back in August of 2011, the week before Hurricane Irene. This is wild. That's the second time I've ever experienced an earthquake. The first one I experienced, the ground shook side to side, but this one was up and down. It's like it lasted a good 30 seconds at least a good 30 seconds. Because everything in my room started shaking. It woke me up because it was like, then it got more intense. That's exactly the way it was. It calmed down a little bit, then got intense. I was like, whoa. Literally, it's been over 12 years since this happened on the East Coast. The epicenter was in New Jersey. Well, the last one, its epicenter was in Virginia, if I remember correctly. It's got to be Virginia. Thankfully, no reported damage or injury was ever reported. Well, us East Coast people know what it's like to live through an earthquake, like the West Coast people, because they get earthquakes a lot more often than here. Well, hope everyone's okay. Hope everyone's safe, because it wasn't that intense, so shouldn't worry too much about it. So, hope you all are safe. Hope you all okay. Thank you very much for watching.